Today in the grain market, soybeans did recover. That oversold futures regained some footing. I think that there's much uncertainty still remains, and we expect the trade to stay pretty flat for the time being. There's so many things out there, so much information and headlines that are really driving these markets right now. We have to be a little bit more careful. Now, corn was steady today. The virus expansion, is really stalling the futures right now. Historically, with prices so depressed at this time, would really lend itself to a significant rally going forward. But we have to watch closely with what's happening. I think that there is some concern that everything is going to be, all the exports are going to be stalled in the pipeline somewhere. So we really don't know. We haven't really had experienced this. And so we're going to just take it day by day. Now, wheat was mostly easier. It actually at one point was a little bit higher, but the markets have kind of reset for a downtrend. Now, let's face it, though, uncertainty is the trouble because of the stall in the pipeline and exports even from around the world. There's also an increase of wheat supplies in Russia and a number of other fundamental issues that would lend itself to this market moving a little bit lower. That being said, sometimes issues like the coronavirus would sometimes rally some of these grains. So the fact that it's lower is, it's a kind of difficult. It's a difficult call. Certainly, the stock market did not get any kind of a lift today either. So I think that there's something to be watching. That the U.S. dollar index is still very, very strong. So that would, to me, would put a lid on any kind of significant rally. But that being said, we don't know with an international pandemic really on hand. We're not sure, so we've got to watch that and watch if there's going to be real expansion in the U.S. That may pose other troubles as well. So we're going to keep an eye on it all, but there is definitely going to be a lot of volatility in the market though going forward.